Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hair salons and barbershops swear by Barbicide, the blue solution you see combs and brushes soaking in on the counter. The salon staple has been around since the 1940s, and luckily it's available at any beauty supply store.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First, remove any hair from the bristles using a comb to go through the brush. Then submerge the brush in a solution of baking soda and water until the teeth or bristles are covered. Soak for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse well in hot water. The gunk should be gone.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Combs, hairbrushes, clips, clippers, shears must be sanitized with quaternary ammonium compounds, the most well-known as Barbicide. They must be soaked for no less than 15 minutes, playing this safe it's been a while, and then rinsed off.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to clean hairbrushes with dryer sheets. Put some warm water in a bowl. Add 2 dryer sheets. Put all your brushes and combs into the solution. Soak for approximately 2 to 3 hours. Rinse thoroughly. Pat dry before leaving to air dry.
Let's help you make your mark.
1 to 2 weeks. Dr. Piliang recommends the average person clean their brush every 1 to 2 weeks. For those with longer hair, however, she recommends doing this more frequently. And if you use products, a sure sign that it's time to clean your brush is if you start to see residue form on the bristles.
Take our lead.
Contents of brush: lint, tiny flakes of skin cells from the scalp. Dust, dirt or other environmental debris which has attached itself to your scalp, roots or hair. Sebum or oil from the scalp. Tiny pieces of broken hair which get tangled around the base of the bristles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.